way or two.
What's that? Blow hole.
There's a way.
Oh, there's a welder. Per person. Ilan tayo?
Tutup mong dia. Wah, full ratio kaya. Ito nga doon sa siya.
Ano natin kung may pera to? Kaya bayaran ko na nandun. What's that? Hindi. Tayo. We can go. Ako, sorry. Sorry. Oo, man. Just it. No, it's okay. We can go. We have many cars here. There's a big wave here. Oh, if we go put some fishing there. Oh, you can catch many fish.
The fish gets
The whale, you know whale. Because that's deep, see? So deep. Nandito tayo sa ano? Sa blowhole. Sabay. Tawagin. Blowhole. Oh, there's a big. I'm waiting for the whale. Where's the whale? You can put the car there and we'll car wash. Nag-flash na oh. Especially if you okay bro? Big one. Yeah. Guys, dito tayo sa blowhole. Tawagin nila dito sa Sabay. Tingnan natin kung gaano kalayo pressure. Oh, sobra. Uulanin ka dito talaga eh. Oh. Raining. Bali yung ano, yung splash nung ano, talagang tatama sa'yo. crab. There's a crab. Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Oh! Big one!
Wala tayo. That's big, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Check it out. Did you catch? Let's go, bro. Ano? Oh, it's a pig. Ah! Ano? Oh. Yeah. Oh! Let's go, let's go. Getting bigger now. Look at it. Oh. Grabe, antindi. Antindi, guys.